Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a multiple bootable USB drive. To do that, you want to go to Ventoy and press enter and go to downloads and then go to the zip one. This will take you to GitHub, and then you want to go to this one here and download it. I've already downloaded it, and then what you want to do is unzip it. So here it is. Right click, extract, and it open up when it's finished. There it is. Open this folder and then open this one here. Hit yes if that pops up on your screen. Probably won't, it'll probably go black. And this is what you'll get. Now it's quite useful because you can actually upgrade the Ventoy when a new version comes out. You probably won't need to, but if there's a bug or anything like that, then you can. So that's quite useful. Right, so what you want to do is select the USB drive. I've got mine here. Hit install, hit yes, and yes. And when it's finished doing that, you can just literally drag and drop your ISOs to the USB drive and then they become bootable. So let me just wait till this finishes. This is what you'll get when, just hit, that's okay. This is what you'll get when you plug in that USB drive. And what you want to do is just drag and drop your ISO. So I've got one for Ubuntu on Windows, and just drag and drop them straight into there. And then that's it. They come bootable, so you can go into your, when your computer's booting up, you can boot to them, and that's, yeah, pretty much it. So I hope you find this useful. Please subscribe, rate and comment, and yeah, hope to see you soon again in the future. Bye.